Okay, we're going to film the sharpening of a card scraper, and first I will apply some lubricant, just water with dish detergent, to the surface of the abrasive disc. Put the scraper on the disc, just flat. Make sure that I have no burr. Okay, now we'll put the toolbar in place. And that is it gives us our edge of the card scraper. Okay, now we've come over to a piece of babinga that I've resawn, and first we'll put a burr on the scraper by placing the burnishing tool flat and pushing one time to push this edge out a little bit. Then come along with a second stroke at approximately 90 degrees to roll that burr up, and then at 5 to 15 degrees to set the burr into a hook. And you can see I am able to scrape the rough resawn part of the babinga and get very good shavings. And this can be either pulled or pushed until you work out all of the marks and smooth out the wood surface.